Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. For today's video, we're going to be talking about how to ask men for money. First things first, if that man is not your father, do not ask. Do not ask men for money, okay? Now, I say this because, and I say this from my many years of wisdom. Men are very simple creatures. Men are not dumb. Men know that it's very expensive to do women things, okay? Even if it's just pads and tampons, men know that our expenses far much more outweigh their expenses. We have to keep our hair done, or nails done, or skincare, or makeup, or like I said, pads and tampons. Bras are very expensive. Panties, a dress for every occasion. And these might seem like nothing, but to certain girls, they are everything, okay? A man, if he sees you struggling with a bill, he does not like you. If you have a bill to pay, oh my gosh, kissy face, but no, I gotta pay my light bill, and I gotta pay my water bill, and I gotta pay my mortgage and my rent, and da 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 da. He knows this. He knows that you have all these bills to pay, and he still chooses not to help you. He sees you struggling every month to come up with the rent, to come up with the light bill, to come up with the internet bill, and he still chooses not to help you. If a man wants to do something, he will do it. The end. That is it. That is all. Period, point blank. If he wants to, he will. If he can, he would. Okay? If he cannot financially help you, he's going to find a way to hustle with you, to figure out, all right, babes, if you do this, then that can work. If you do that, that can work. And if you're with a man with no financial plan, with no sense of financial responsibilities, no money management skills, then you probably need to move on. You should definitely have those skills as well, 100%. You should be able to manage your own money very well. But if your partner cannot meet you at least halfway with that, then that's a problem. Okay? Yes, as women, we should have our own money. We should be able to fund our own lifestyles, 100% true. But if for whatever reason you fall flat and you need help with something, we know men get paid more than women. We know this, even though we have more expenses. So if he sees you struggling and chooses not to help, he does not like you. If you have to ask every single time, he does not like you. So stop asking. Stop asking and just do. There are men out there who will do for a lot less. There are men out there who will do a lot more for a lot less. Oh, you want somebody to buy you lunch? There's a man out there who will do that without even shaking your hand. Oh, you feel like going out for dinner somewhere? There's a man who will do that without so much as a hug. Simply off the strength that what? He likes you. Open your eyes. Broaden your horizon. If that man sees you struggling and chooses not to help, he does not like you. If he wanted to, he would. Stop asking these men for money. Stop. We're not going into 2024 doing that at all. At all. If he does it, say thank you. Show your appreciation, your gratitude, because really and truly he didn't have to, doesn't have to, doesn't, you know? But hey. And I know there are going to be some girls out there like, oh no, you're talking foolishness. Don't listen to her, you guys. Definitely ask your man. If you want something, ask for it. I know men are going to say the same thing in the comment section. If you want something, ask for it. Okay, I asked for it. Now do it. And what happens if they don't do it? What if they can't do it? What if you cannot maintain me? Now we both look fool. You feel me? So no, Do not ask men for money. How do you ask men for money? You don't. You need to rest more in your femininity. You need to realize that you are a goddess, and just being around you is a gift. Okay? And men, yes, hold your head up and be proud of who you are. You are a man. Act like a man. Don't try to match my energy, because the moment you start to match my energy, then I'm looking down on you. You are no my competition. What? I don't understand. Why do you want to be just like me? No. Man up and do what you're supposed to do. Simple. And if you want your girl to do all these things for you, go and above and beyond for you, a lot of girls do that for free anyways. But if you really, really want her to show gratitude and, all of these things, pay a bill. It's really that simple. Pay a bill. Cover a wig install, cover some bundles, take her to get a massage, buy her lunch, send her a random Cash App or a Zelle. Pull up to her job with food. Give her money directly in her hand. And if she appreciates none of this, then move on. It's that simple. It's not tricking if you got it. And it's either you have it or you don't. And if you're with somebody who doesn't have it, then why are you going to pressure that man to give you something that he cannot give? So again, how do we ask men for money? We don't. Okay? Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye. The news anchor voice and everything.